great society, all of those things. And so the market started to figure this out. And they're like, wait a minute, you're just printing a lot of these dollars, and I know we can convert them to the gold, so you know what? We don't want the dollars anymore. We want the gold. So they started taking the gold from the United States. And then 8 of the most powerful central banks on earth, I'm talking about the US, the UK, West Germany, France, Switzerland, some other big banks, they formed a cartel to stop this. It's called the London Gold Pool. Now the entire job of the London Gold Pool was to keep the price set. The job was to defend the $35 peg. So if somebody buys too much gold, then the pool would sell into it. They'd knock the price back down. Sound familiar? They would coordinate the official supply. They would deploy to hold a price where the paper says it should be. But then finally, governments again started waking up to this, and they started demanding the physical gold. They didn't want the paper anymore. They knew the game that was being played. So on a normal day,